Hey you guys, I figured I would hop on and make a quick video to show you guys my cute little backyard garden situation. I'm just gonna kind of walk you guys through what I have going on here. We're renting, so everything that I'm growing is in containers, and yeah, I'll share with you guys what I have. Let me just say, this is my very first time really making it to this point. I started seedlings one year, but never got a chance to plant them out because they died while my family and I went on vacation. So this is like, I'm pretty proud of where I am. So please, I know everything may not be the right way or the expert gardening way. I don't know, whatever you want to call it, but it's what I'm doing. I'm doing my best, and yeah, that's it. So yeah. All right, so let's start over here. So for starters, these are the two standing raised beds that I'm using, and these are really renter friendly because you don't ruin the grass, because they're not like the raised beds that are flush to the ground and typically end up ruining the grass. So let's start in this box. So over here I have a few tomato plants. This is an heirloom Brandywine tomato. This is a San Marzano tomato plant. And this is a Hawaiian pineapple tomato plant. I have a couple of little sad sugar snaps on the end here that I didn't plant out in time early enough, so they don't look the best since they've been out here, but hopefully they will make it. I have some marigolds kind of spread throughout the bed just to kind of help to bring on the pollinators. And then I have some squash, zucchini, and cucumbers in here, along with some radish that I have. And then these little things are some pepper plants that I don't know why they just have not made it much further than that. And they've been planted out a while. So I don't know, they may not do well. But yeah, and then I have a few onions kind of scattered throughout here as well. And I know, like, you don't want to cram a lot in here, but I have a small space, so I want to try to get as much stuff as I can planted. And then, we'll see what happens. Hopefully stuff survives. Uh-oh. Did y'all hear that? Let me just say, too, that I am keeping my head on a swivel because we have, that sounds like a bird, but we have a neighborhood bear family that literally pops up on the regular, like almost every day we see them. So if I start running or the video ends abruptly, you know why. Anyway, back to the garden. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff crammed in here because, of course, I want to maximize my space. I may regret that. I don't know. Again, this is my first time, so I'm just seeing what happens. And I also today planted a bunch of carrot seeds in this space, so we'll see what comes with that. And over here in this bit, I don't know what that sound is. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It sounds like a bird or something. But anyway, of course, some marigolds to hopefully attract some pollinators. In the front here, I have some beautiful celery that has been doing very well. I'm definitely looking forward to harvesting that. I have a couple of pepper plants here. I think these are bell peppers. I can't remember. Some radish. All right, back to our little backyard garden tour. So I have a cherry tomato plant here. It's called Proven Harvest tomato. Yellow pear tomato plant. I think those are either Black Creme or San Marzano. I can't remember because my labels have kind of gotten a little mixed up. But yeah, these are leeks. And I think these two are like, I don't know, cucumber or zucchini or squash, one of the three. Some radish kind of scattered throughout. As you can see, I have a bunch of carrots kind of scattered throughout that I need to thin out same as with the radish. I just threw the seeds in there and I'll thin them out later. But yeah, and under here I have a sad little dill plant that is just hanging on to dear life, and some cilantro that I'm gonna probably be using this weekend. There is a pepper pot sugar kick pepper, and I don't know, it's not looking great, but we're gonna pray for that one. This is my mint, which, you know, mint does very well. It's Kentucky Colonel Spearmint. This is some cooking thyme. That's a little sad strawberry plant I got from our friends. These are my two little planters of collards. They're looking okay, minus this like yellowing, purpling. My dad told me to fertilize them, so I added some chicken manure, and hopefully that helps them to look like this one. This one does not look purpley at all. And then I don't know, maybe they don't have enough space. I don't know, we'll see. But this is some butter lettuce, and it looks beautiful. And I've actually been pulling off of that a little bit. Over here, sit, I'm tired. Over here I have some romaine lettuce, and it is looking fabulous, like amazing. In front of that are these tiny little Cosmic Creme lettuce mix that I probably should move into something else, because I think they're just not doing so great because they're up under that romaine. Over there I have an eggplant right here, and right here is a jalapeno plant. I don't know if they should be planted together, but that's what we're doing. And this planter, these are some squash, the little patty squash. Those are actually my favorite squashes, and some onions kind of scattered throughout. Right here I have some Brussels sprouts and onions, and I think I'm gonna plant some radish in like the spaces throughout the onions and the Brussels sprouts. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Right here I have some Be My Honey lavender. This, I think I put a couple okra seeds in there just cause. Right here is some beautiful scallions or chives. And in here, I think in here is some lettuce. Not lettuce, but spinach. I think I just threw some spinach seeds in there to see what it does. And here I have some potatoes, and they're doing so well. And the cool thing about this is that these are potatoes I just bought from the grocery store, and that ended up going bad, and I just kept them and used them for seed. This is my kale pot, and this one kale is so beautiful. The rest of them are okay, but the interesting thing about this one is that like a week ago my son snatched it up and I just stuck it back in there, and since then it's been like, it's the best looking one. It's even outgrew the other ones. So I'm like, do I need to go have him snatch these out so that the rest can look as good as that one? So yeah, that's my little backyard garden. I'm super proud of the progress that I've made. Hopefully something grows. So far it has. Hopefully it continues. Yeah, so I'm gonna go shower because I've been out here digging in this dirt and messing around and fertilizer, and it stinks. Today I fertilized with some organic chicken manure, as well as some fish fertilizer. And let me tell you, both of them stink, okay? And the bad part is I don't have any gloves. I don't know where, well, I do have a couple, like one pair of them, but they're not waterproof, so I don't really like to use them. So I really need to find some really good gardening gloves. So if any of you have suggestions, please leave it below. But yeah, I think I'm done planting. There's two other things that I wanted to plant. One of them is these green beans, and then I also wanted to plant some more sugar snaps, because those are one of my favorites. I'm waiting for my stakes to come so that I can stake my tomato plant. And I went looking at Lowe's yesterday for A-frame trellis, and I saw it online, but I couldn't find it in the store. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna order it online and then do like a pickup at the store. But yeah, I think I have to find something to plant. I think I'm gonna get another planter box to plant my some beans in. And I think once I do that, I'll be set. Like, I don't think I'll want to plant anything else. And I should probably get like some more flowers. I think I will get some more flowers, and I think I'll probably end up getting those in just like some like baskets, so I don't have to worry about getting pots and stuff too. You can buy them already together. But yeah, so so that's it for today's video. I will bring you guys along through my gardening journey, just so that you can see how I do and what makes it to harvest, and things that are successful and things that are not. Hopefully you can learn from my mistakes or my successes. But yeah, so far I'm super proud of my progress, and I cannot wait till it's time to harvest. In my next video, I'll kind of go through, I forgot to mention like what I grew from seed and what I did not grow from seed, but we'll get into that next video. In the meantime, have a great rest of your day. And please subscribe if you are not a subscriber. Like this video, and also leave a comment if you're planting a garden this year, and let me know what you guys are planting, or if I should plant something else. All right, later.